Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Friends. So today we're going to be making broccoli, rice, and cheese casserole. These are the things that I will be using: onion powder, Mrs. Dash original blend, black pepper, garlic salt, chicken broth, cream of chicken, mushroom, and broccoli, sour cream, and cheese. And that's pretty much it, okay? So the rice is already made, the broccoli is already done. You do want to cook that first. Dump over your broccoli here. Okay, so next you're going to dump a little bit of this cheese in. Well, not a little, the whole bag. You do half of this cream of chicken. And you can always go back and add more if you need it, okay? Half of the cream of mushroom. And half of the broccoli cheese, okay? Now, we're gonna need more, of course, but I just mix a little at a time. Another bag of cheese in, and it's kind of creamy now. Throughout the whole thing, you're gonna stir everything together. At this point, if you need a little bit more broth, a little bit more of cream of anything you just added, you can taste it because everything is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of broth. Well, not a little, but there we go. Woo-hoo. To kind of loosen it up here. More cream of mushroom. A little dab there. A little bit there. A little bit there. A little more broth. And season it. And then taste it. Okay?
Black pepper,
blend Mrs. Dash just a teeny, and then lastly I will be adding onion powder, just a little. You don't need much seasoning because everything you are using has salt in it, okay? Mix it up. Also add a little bit of butter. This is totally optional, okay? And then lastly, so you should be at a consistency of this. Okay, maybe just a little bit more. Add a little bit of sour cream here. Now what it does, I don't know, but I get this from the old ladies, okay? And it's always been good to me. So now you have tasted by now and it's flattened out. You want to put it in the oven. Once it starts bubbling and looking like it's coming together, and we'll show you later on, you're going to already have your crackers crunched up and they will go on the top of the whole thing, but not now. Halfway through, and then once it turns golden brown, you are done. Once you get down to this, you want to then put one more layer of cheese on top. You don't have to put that much because remember you have cheese all in the inside. So once you get it out, you want to then go over it with one more layer of cheese. You don't have to put too much, but just make sure it's evenly dispersed across the top. Next, you come in with your crackers. You're going to do the same thing as you did with your cheese. Make sure that it's evenly dispersed across the top, okay? So make sure that your crackers are evenly dispersed. You're going to now put it back in the oven until the top is golden brown. Yeah. Once it's like this on the top, that nice flaky golden brown, you are done. Now your inside side should look something like